All right, so we are 23. Let's see what's that. Oh Lord, amount of time it is for my channel. I don't know why people don't appreciate me, but it's okay. So 84 square, 8a square rather, is 8a times 8a. 8 times 8 is 64. A times a is a square. We did this earlier also. Guys, this is what I talk about when I say them something here critical. We did this earlier also. I don't know if you guys are remembering. I don't know if you guys are remembering, but I do hope you are remembering them because this could be your actual exam. And we kin teeth and laugh about it, all right? That's what is going to happen. They're going to repeat it, the questions, and that's it. All right, so 5 times 2x, that somebody have to work out this. Work out that, guys. We expand the bracket. So it would be, wait, let me see. Let me put. All right, let me see now. So it would be what? This is also worked on my channel, this exact question. 5 times 2x minus y minus 2 bracket 3y minus 5x. I should have come further down, you know, this is not going to work. Wait. So it's 5 times 2x minus y minus 2, 3y minus 5x. So 5 times 2 is 10x. 5 times y is negative 5y.
30.
Oh, you get it. Minus 2 times that is negative 6y. Positive, negative times a negative give us positive 10x, right? So this is give us 20x. No. It's D. As once we get the 20x we put. It's D. A negative times a positive. This is going to give us a positive 10x, and 10x plus 10x are 20x. We don't need nothing more because none of them don't have 20. This alone. So we can go ahead. We did 26 already.
That would be A.
Yeah. And you see, guys, when the teacher acquire and say, go to past paper, because it's actually proven that they repeat the questions. You guys can see for yourself now. If m asterisk n is equal to mn minus n squared, then, so it will do what? 5 times 3. So it's 5 times 3 minus.
Sir, it would have been 3.
32A.
Okay, so it's what? 15 minus 9. I don't understand.
Yes, sir, so it would be 3 as
Yeah,
well.
so it's the square root of 6. Yeah, man, I see the answer. Remember, guys, m is 5 and n is 3. So we just replace it and do the maths. So add this. All right, 28. If 50 minus 3x is equal to x minus 26, then x is equal to. All right, first of all, we care about the x here. So we are getting negative 4x. And then we care about the negative 4x and 19. Work it out though, guys. But I would say 19 right away. All right, let us look at the one up here. So now, if p is equal to m squared divided by 2 minus m, then m
C.
d. Right, we could just
C.
not just that one here. If the one says a negative, guys, you have to deal with it carefully, you know. So it's all no, it's easy, man. Once we get
C as in cat.
I see, man. Guys, once we square m, it have to be 9, right? So we don't need to go no further. Because when we square 3, we are getting 9. I see I only one have positive 9 at the top. So we don't care about the rest. Better than the rest. All right, Althea saves X dollars each month. But in June, she saved $4 more than twice her regular amount. In June, she saved Talk to me.
D, sir.
E. Can see it there? Twice plus 4. And a rocket science. Usually, guys, the January paper harder than the June paper, than the May paper. You realize that? All right, so 3A. Somebody work out the algebra for me now. 3A bracket A plus 2B minus B, 2A minus 3B. Work it out and tell me. Tell you what, let's run through fast, guys. So it's 3A bracket A plus 2B and then minus B, 2A minus 3B. This one is delicate. Once the negative involved, it's very delicate. You guys, all right, so that's it, right? So it's 3A times A, that's 3A squared. 3A times 2B, that's 6AB, minus B times 2A is negative 2AB, and then this will give us plus
Sir, it would be C.
3B.
Would be C, sir.
So it's 3A squared plus 4AB. Look at which option that is, plus 3B squared. Which option that?
Sir, C.
See? But C have minus. So I don't see.
B, sir. B.
B. Yeah. We have to be careful of the sign, right? Because remember, say a negative times a negative will give us the positive. So we have to be very careful when we're in exam. Which of the following represent the equation of a straight line? I did this on my channel, but you guys don't watch me anyway.
Sir, C.
C. Once it's in the form y equal mx plus c, it would be done. You don't have to look for nothing else, all right? Zayla, you take that one day.
Sir. Where's Amelia?
Zayla, you take that one day. I'm serious, man. Seriously.
Sir, A.
You work it out though? Guys, them here tricky, you know. So it's negative
Sir,
5.
it would be B. Well, no.
Sir, the answer is B.
B,
That-
all right.
Did it?
So minus 5, minus 1. So this is going to become plus. So 5 is 25, plus 5, minus 1. So that's 30 minus 1. It is indeed B. See, Zayla? I think I'm going to like functions. So it's 29. We still have the function one there for research, all right? I don't want to give you guys wrong information. All right. So 34, the arrow.
Sir, is it A?
God, we did this already, man. Jesus.
Yes, sir. A.
Guys, you know, say, on a serious note, that's how now going to exam and just say A, B, C on the street. You guys gonna take 30 minutes and complete your multiple choice. And I'm not even joking about it. It's just a fact. Using the graph above the values of x when y equal negative 1 r. So we're going to find when y equal negative 1. So first we have to identify when y are negative 1, though. So what is the values? Let me read back this again.
Sir, it would be A. 1 and negative 1.
Wait, you know, make no sense, you know? All right, this is the graph. It's a values when y equal negative 1. So y equal negative 1, you know? So how will them get?
Sir, 2.5 and negative 2.
Oh, you got it.
Sir, that's the 1 and negative 1.
We say when y equal negative 1. So y equal -1 at the line here, you know. Help me know. How them get values? Me don't know.
Sir, but if I look on the other side, where x is, you see the 1. So that's why me say 1 and -1.
Yeah, but a negative when they never say when y equal 1. Me know this you not think on. But he say when y equal -1. You know, for no attitude now, just pick an answer because you must write, right? Anyway, me not see no answer for that. This what value for this? Hold on there.
Sir, is in the blue line
What
x
equal -1 other line here? Jesus Christ, it's stupid. It's a line x equal 1, sorry. So that be about 2 something and 2 something. How the hell we not gonna know that? Well, we not get a big graph paper still. Because me can't see it from here, so. It can be one of them, it can be right, just a 2 point something. And this a 2 point something.
Sir, is 2.2.
Guys, honestly, you wouldn't have the graph if you can figure it out. But if you look on the screen, we couldn't tell that from that. So we'll now go with D. We don't say I reach 2.8. And I don't think you reach 2.5 either.
Yes, sir.
A D. Guys, you see that error down we just make a while ago? Me put the line x equal 1, you know. So me just do that for sure. In an exam, don't do that. No man, that was a genuine error, you know. When we say y equal -1, I identify this as, but this is the line x equal -1. So my apologies. The line x equal 1 is this line right here. So these 2 points are the intersection. Me a human, so forgive me. So I work with the 2.2, kind of reach 2.5. Even though we can't see it directly, we can have a little idea. What is the gradient of the line y equal -3x minus 8? I did this on my channel. It's exact question. What's the gradient? B. Thank you. B. How do we divide by 2? Because it must be in the form y equal mx plus c. So it's -3/2. See guys, when I watch my channel, but there's a lot of stuff that I do on it that can do it. We did this one already. X should have more than one value. So it can be a function. Hope you guys are ready, you know. All right. The diagram, I want anyone to take on it. The diagram above, Sanjay, closer to me.
Sir, it would be C.
See? It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right?
Hi.
Did you guys do that? Or it can be x1, it can be y1 minus y2. But the y must up at top. So we could identify. So y would that be D and B. So which one of y and D and B up at top? Oh, 2 of them. So it's either 1 out of 2. Make a reason out this now. Come on, be glad to them do this. So you see, if B there front, B matches it what? A must there front too. So I can this. This is the right answer. Yo, I love that question. Because me that do a live video and me that explain that to students and I say, listen, you must have it in the same order. You never did here a long time. So I could call this x1 and y1. So this will be x2 and y2. I was doing this on a live and I say, yo guys, make sure you don't mix it up. So if we are going to put C, if we start with C, it'll be minus A. We have to start with D. Ah, Jesus. So let's do the X1 first. Sorry about that. Remember, say why for that up, man. I'm telling us. So if we have D minus B, so look, D minus B, and that are the X, the Y, and then you have X, which is, you have to start with the C. So that'll be C minus the A. Or if so them here must match. It have to be in another order. So see it? This is our B up at top, because them go the other way. B minus D and A minus C. So the answer will be D. Guys, you must match it up. It have to be X1 with Y1 and Y2 with something. The volume of a cube, oh, we do this already. What's the answer for this?
Sir, D.
D. You're my Kalona work at joke thing. All right, new question. How many kilometers will a car travel in T hours at a rate of V kilometer per hour? What's the answer, guys?
Sir, was it 4? So?
What is it, 4?
I said A, sir.
4.
A. That makes sense. Distance is equal to speed times time. Hold on, let me see. How many kilometers will a car travel at T hours? Yes, so that's time at a rate of V kilometer per hour. So this is speed, distance times speed. You see them can change everything, Pauno? Yeah. Some people say them teacher never teach them that. Distance, speed times time. The figure above not drawn to scale shows a sector of circle center O. The center, the length of the minor arc PQ is 8 centimeters. This month you wanna go work out this. It's not at the class, you know. What is the length of the circumference of the circle? What's the answer, guys?
48. 48, sir. 48.
Good thing we are recording. So you guys can, please guys, just watch back the video. These questions are gonna repeat. I did this in
Sir, would it be 48? I'm not sure. 48.
make sense of 48, you know, because look, how many 60 degrees in a 360? That's our first thing. That's a 6, that's all.
Yes, sir. That's what I used.
Yeah. So that is equal to 6. So you're gonna get 68 lengths. So 68 or 48. That's the reason, you know, because they can change the number. More you guys get the reason. Some teacher that come and say A, B, no, Mr. Bennett, on the pan that. Clean on the pan that. We did this one already. What's the answer? Distance around the edge of a circle upon is 88 meters. The radius in meter is
D.
D. Very good. Wouldn't it be lovely if these questions come back? Which I know they will. All right. And leaving.
Sir, that was 4 also.
All right. 4 hours. The one here a little bit different. An aircraft leaves A at 1600 and arrives at B at 1930 hours. The same day, traveling an average speed of 550 kilometers per hour. A and B are in the same time zone. The distance from A to B is, well, once you want to work out this now, guys. So I look for the distance. How do we find distance? Just highlight everything with them give. So look, It say an aircraft leaves. So this is a time, you know. This is a time, it give you time when it take, right? So the time it'll be what? 3 hours and 30 minutes. Is that right, guys? Now 3.5. And it a travel at a average speed, not constant, but an average speed of 550. So wouldn't it be distance 550? Because distance is equal to speed times time. But then give the average something there. So somebody multiply this by 5. Something all right, you know. Work out this to me, guys. I think I either 18 or
Yeah,
19.
got D.
D?
Dog.
Yeah, you're right, man. I just because it look to me and I say, come on, CSEC make a mistake. But this is the correct working out here. So the time will be 3.5 and the average speed. Average speed means you can go 0, but then at some point you probably go 1,010. Is the average speed them take. All right, good job. All right, a cylindrical bar of soap 5 centimeter thick has a volume of 200 centimeter cube. A uniform slice 3 centimeter thick is taken away. What volume of the soap remains? So we take 5 centimeter thick. Oh, this have a volume of 5, right? Of 200. So the first thing, it have a volume of 200.
Sir, it would be D.
Can be D. Or if you take away some from it and you get more, we have to eliminate them right away.
Sir, would it be B?
Have to be B.
Yes, sir. It's 120 centimeters cube.
Yeah, that's even logical reasoning. You have 5 and you take away 3. Hold on. No, guys, why did that be that? That makes sense? Look, it's a 5, right? And it equal to this. And you take away 3. You take away more, you know.
Sir, I did cross multiplication. That's how I got the.
You not even think about numbers. Just think about reality.
Oh,
You
sir.
take away 3.
It would be 2 centimeters left back if you took.
Yeah. And based off of that, we can say this is the right answer.
80.
You don't agree, guys? I don't use no formula, just basic reasoning. You have 5 centimeter thick. So look, each bar goes up. I have 5. 5 of them. And you take away all that 3. So just 2 remain. So you take away more than what your something there. So it have to be 80. Or next way you can look on it. I don't like go maths. 5 equal that. So that basically 140. 140. 1 bar work out to 40 centimeter cube. But we only have 2 leave. So it will be 2 times 40, which is 80. What am I reasoning still? We did this already. This was what? Say how the teacher member, 15. I love this one. Each of the letters in the word chance is written in a slip of paper, and 1 slip is randomly drawn. What is the probability of drawing the letter C? Come on, my students.
A.
A? Why A?
Sir, because of 6 letters and a 1.
And 1C.
The 2 C in a chance, guys. You know,
Out of 6. So 2 out of 6.
break it
Oh.
down, Kiana.
Sir,
6
B.
letters, 1/3.
Sir, Kiana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 1/3.
Third.
Guys, you
Yes,
know,
sir.
go the parents' marks in an exam. Don't just look at it and say that. Just work it out. You even see me make error already. So you understand? Errors are look over your paper. We're gonna talk about that closer to exams, but look over your paper. Start over. Because sometimes it's hard to find your error, you know. You have to start all over again. And your future. All right. 48. You see what could on the paper here? The highest weekly wage of a group of employees is $150.40. If the range of the wages is 270. Oh, when I understand what I said the range, right? It's the biggest minus the smallest. If the range, so if I identify them keywords, you know, it's two. How much does the lowest paid employee receive?
Sir, B.
B, 77.
Yes, sir.
So is it 105 minus this give you 77, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's correct then. Yeah, when you get the reason, guys, the range is the highest minus the smallest. So then get two of them. You see them smart? Then could I ask, you know, what is the highest minus the lowest? And you just say range. No, then get a different way. And sometimes students go in there and say, teacher never teach me that. Wicked money, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you actually get it. We have to transfer the knowledge where you're out. So it's the highest minus the smallest. And my great student tell me it's B. And I believe her, all right? All right. The length of 15 cabbage leaves were measured. Come like a bio we do. Matter everything, you know, guys. The bio we do this now. Jesus. The length of 15 cabbage leaves were measured, the nearest centimeter, and the information group are shown above. The beginning and the ending of the class interval 10 to 14. All right. I don't even understand what they're going to ask it. Let me just take a minute and see what they're going to say. So 15 cabbages, right? The frequency are 3 and 8, so that's 11. Oh, yo, CSEC don't see, man. Guys, you know what I'm going to ask for? The class interval. Jesus Christ. Them get me this up. So, when you know the class interval, something go right? We take off 0.5 from the lower one, and we add 0.5 by the next. But me not see them do that. Oh, yeah. 10 minus 0.5 give me 9.5. So, you know, say see that this or this, right? But you have to add 0.5 for the next one, so this. Guys, them got me there good enough, because I was saying, what type of foolishness is this? What is actually the class interval them ask for? The endpoints. So you know when you have your graph, you're going to take off 0.5 of the lower boundary, and then you add 0.5 for the upper class boundary. I do this with some CMU students. That was part of the exam. Everybody get that though. So it's at 10 and 14, so you take off 0.5 and you add on 0.5. So the distance remains the same. So it's actually C. All right, a boy throw a dice twice. What is the probability that he will get 3 followed by an, oh Lord, we worked this already. 1 out of 2.
Sir, B.
B again?
A.
It's a man. Remember, you know, you got to throw the dice 2 times and it's a followed. That they get me in the first part because I was thinking and, but it was and, it's a followed by. So it's R. I have to do them something. But guys, we can't do this in a class and go get my exam right wrong, you know, because we beat in a class. Watch it again. Woo! Come on, guys, see in paper where I do. Woo! The pie chart. Jesus. Tajay,
Sir, B.
Tajay, I'm going to send you the recording. Here you.
A B, sir.
B? Yeah. Tajay, I'm going to send you the recording. You can't make you waste your money. You hardly you have internet issues today. Let's send you the recording though. All right, good job, guys. So if this is 12, this would be 24, and all of it is 36, right? And then 36 plus 36 are 72. You know, so when you settle down, you know, I get it anyway. 51. Oh, 52 then now. Zayla, you remember how this is at the class too?
Yes, sir.
Why? When you get value for money, you know, you know, lie. What's the answer for this? The measure angle ABE. So remember, just identify ABE. So I want to find the angle here.
Sir, just for those who don't understand, you would subtract 58 from 180, and that's how you would get the answer.
Angles on a straight line. I remember you were the one who got it in Saturday class. That's why I picked on you. Good job.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I say, remember, kind of good, you know. But when you do things, me can't remember. Which of the following angles are equal? I guess they are relating to the same one. So this angle equal this one, and this one equal this one. So all we have to do, and they are vertically opposite, all we have to do is look which one match. I think this will be the last one. I think we did this in class. Yeah. So let me check the last one. ABD CBE. So it will be D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, we did this a while ago. Translation, you see, guys, it are the same question. It's a bank of questions, you know, guys. And then they'll say, all right, we're going to pick from the paper. You pick from the paper, you make up the 60 questions.
And sister, 55 is the same. We did it already.
Yeah, exactly. I remember when we had the marathon name. After a while, students, it come like school challenge quiz, because students start shout out the answer before as me I read it. So that's why I don't expect the same energy from you guys. You know what I mean? What was it again? See? Sometimes we change up the position, right? So let me just look back at it.
Sir, B.
B. Yeah. When you do so already, you know, don't worry with yourself, man. And the parents just make sure text the parents and say put an extra piece of meat on it, you know, because we do good today. All right. The point A is shown on the diagram above. What is the coordinate of the reflection of A in the x-axis? Love that question. Love it. In the x-axis. So first we have to identify the mirror line, which is this. And then we can say 1, 2, 3. Actually, 3 places, right? 1, 2, 3. So do you see same thing? 1, 2, 3. So we know so it's going to be right here. And then we read off the coordinate here, right?
Sir.
And this would be 4.
B.
So it's A, right? No.
Sir, B.
Eh?
B.
P. It's supposed to be -3. You see when you happen to the teacher, I think a positive, but members are down here, so 3. So it's 4, -3. I'm sure you can read coordinates. Good job, guys. Don't worry on yourself. We did this one earlier, I think. Yeah. The image above in the line CD, the image of AB after our reflection in the y-axis, right? I did identify it earlier.
The reflection.
Yeah. 58 now. Pythagoras theorem that, you know, as me see it. No,
Sir, didn't we do this already?
We did this one already. Opposite.
B, sir.
5.
Yeah, 5/12. I remember reading, I get it. This is a memory good. Memory good when it comes to maths, but when it comes to other things, Jesus. It's like,
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to pause or anything, but you gonna send the past papers after?
I'm sending everything, the videos too.
All right, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna send Pitney when in my class, I'm gonna say. So I stay, make me love share. Information we're meant to share, you know what I mean? All right. The diagram above not drawn to scale shows the angle of depression of point X from Z. Let's start over. The diagram above not drawn to scale show the angle of depression of point X. So this is 30, which is this, right? We just put in this right away. I'm going to joke, you know. For every angle of depression, you have an angle of elevation, right? All right. If X is 10 meters, which is right, that's what the matter. The height of YZ. So them ask if you find YZ, whether be the length of YZ, or would I use to get that one here? So we are look from this angle, right? So it's opposite over adjacent. So understand that? You see that, guys? The trick to this,
Yes,
one thing you say, for every depression, you have the elevation feet. No. Once we can identify this, we good enough. And then no, we have to say, all right. Come to me, man. Sure. And then this will be opposite over adjacent. So it's done. We don't need no more long chatting. Then put 2 cos in there like I'm taking a feed there. Some people are going to say, I want to cos, you know. in a triangle ABCD, angle A is equal to X and angle B is equal to 2X. What is the size of angle C?
sir, C.
C, thank you. Remember, you just add them here and it comes to 180. So 180 minus them 2 there. And we're done. All right, we are going to take a 5-minute break because it's a less than 1. So we'll just take the break while you guys join back, all right? And then we do our next paper. Great job, guys. We're not come alive now. We're not alive. So join back in a 5 minutes. I'm going to restart it. So we have less than a minute.